10 foods to eat to fight depression. It's normal to feel depressed once in a while, when it's connected to loss, life struggles, or a hurt self-esteem. But if deep sadness and feelings of being hopeless, helpless, and worthless become a part of your life and stop you from living normally, you may have clinical depression, a common but serious mood disorder. 1. Green tea. Drinking tea, especially green tea, is connected to a much smaller risk for depression. Because it has so many antioxidants and amino acids, green tea can help you fight depression in a natural way. Drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea every day to help lift your mood and your overall health as well. 2. Almonds. Almonds have a lot of magnesium, which make them good for fighting depression. This is because magnesium helps make serotonin, a feel-good brain chemical. This mineral also helps you have energy. Snacking almonds every day will help change your mood in a great way. 3. Salmon. Because salmon is full omega-3 fatty acids, it is great for fighting depression. People who have depression usually don't take in enough omega-3 fatty acids, which helps the brain work properly by lowering the swelling. 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate can help raise serotonin levels in the body, which is almost like antidepressants. It also has carbohydrates in the form of sugar, which will tell the body to make more serotonin. Dark chocolate will also slow down the making of stress hormones, which will therefore lessen anxiety. Another thing dark chocolate can do is lessen the effects of chronic fatigue syndrome, because of its flavonoid content. 5. Eggs. Eggs are another great food for fighting depression. This is because eggs, which are packed with protein and other nutrients, also have zinc. Zinc is an important micronutrient that the body needs to help create neurotransmitters, and to keep them working properly. By eating foods full of zinc, like eggs, you can fight zinc deficiency and depression and maybe even other disorders. Eggs are also one of the few foods that have vitamin D. A lack of vitamin D is connected to depression and other mental health problems. 6. Bananas. If you're ever feeling low or depressed, try eating 1 or 2 bananas. Bananas have a lot of tryptophan, which will raise the body's serotonin level. They also help make tyrosine, which is needed for making norepinephrine and dopamine, 2 important neurotransmitters that can change your mood. 7. Avocados. Because avocados have a great amount of omega-3 fatty acids, they are a smart choice for people with depression. Avocados are full of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps lessen stress and relax a person. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries have a lot of antioxidants that help the brain work properly and raise cognitive functioning. They also help a lot against depression. Blueberries also have mood-boosting nutrients like B-complex as well as selenium, zinc, and potassium. All these nutrients help neurologic and brain health in a good way. 9. Spinach. Spinach is another great idea for fighting depression, because it is filled with nutrients like folic acid, magnesium, and zinc. These are important ingredients for brain health and fighting signs of depression. Try to eat more spinach by using it as a salad or for a green smoothie, or by adding it to your hot meals. 10. Asparagus. Another green veggie that's good for fighting depression is asparagus. Asparagus helps raise low folic acid levels that are linked to depression. It also has B vitamins, which can help boost the mood. Asparagus has tryptophan, which helps create serotonin in the brain and blocks depression and anxiety. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel or press to bell icon. And hit the like button.